Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover to your video using the InShot app. Whether you want to add commentary, narrate your video or just record your thoughts, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it, tap onto the video and add the video that you want to edit. To record your voiceover, here you can find the option of audio. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the option of record button. Simply tap on it. Then tap on to the allow button and then tap on to OK. There is a countdown timer also. You can also select it. Now tap on to the red button. Now the countdown will be started. Now you can do your voiceover. Or you can just turn off the countdown button and record it like this. And that's it. Now you know how to add a voiceover to your video using InShot. It's a quick and easy way to make your videos more personal and engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.